Insert the included gel packs into any or all the 3 pockets on the inside of the wrap, depending on the desired relief. While in a seated position with your legs straight, place the brace over the center of the ice packs on either side of your kneecap and the longest strap above your knee. Wrap and attach the top strap first, then the bottom strap, followed by 2 straps around the back of your knee. Turn the air valve on the brace to open and begin pumping to desired compression with the attached balloon pump. If you overinflate the brace, press the black button beneath the balloon to vent the air. When the desired compression is reached, turn the air valve to close to lock in deserved compression level and prevent any air leakage during treatment. You can then disconnect the air hose from the valve if desired. If needed, use the included detachable fabric strap to secure the rubber hose and pump to the brace itself. For quicker air release, set the valve to open and detach the rubber hose from valve. Manually push the air out with hand pressure.